Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping in. We have some technical details on the BTTUSD pairing. This is the Bitfinex chart. So we're just going to pull up one simple line, just kind of go over an illustration in the path on what needs to take place in order for this market to sustain the overall trajectory, which is to the upside. Take a look at the RSI to see where we are in terms of overbought or oversold in this market. So stick around with us in the end. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new, consider joining us. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's April the 12th, 2021, and the current price of BTTUSD is going to be 0.007. It's less than a penny. It's up approximately 0.2% for the day. Okay. All right, ASMR, interesting analysis. Welcome back, everyone. So here's just one line, actually, just one line. That's it, super simple. So what we've done, we actually went all the way back when it kind of started out, back in like March 2019, where there was some kind of some resistance. If we just kind of zoom in there, I think we went over this on the previous video, but we're just kind of outlining the resistance points and another touch point. This way we'll all be clear in terms of the ascending line, and I guess the importance of the market staying above this ascending line so that we can all understand if the trajectory will continue. Now, the first thing that I will say is, by the way, if you're new here, we're under the assumption that you've done your research on this cryptocurrency, and we're just going to simply go over the technicals. We don't go over any fundamentals, okay? So this weekly candle is a bearish candle. That's the first thing that I've noticed. This is a successful weekly candle to close as a reversal candle. Now, one of the things that I also notice is when you're in a very aggressive uptrend, okay, it's kind of a blast off as well, but let's just say it's in an uptrend for now. Typically, it won't take, well, typically when you have a reversal candle on the weekly, that won't be enough to just simply reverse the trend and have the markets just simply move to the downside in a very aggressive manner. This would simply just be a pause in the trajectory for now until the market consolidates and, of course, breaks above this reversal weekly candle. So let's just say, like, for example, it builds some sort of a bullish flag and then it finds support potentially at the previous level of resistance. That's all we go over on the channel: support, resistance, and patterns. We didn't locate any patterns on this video, but of course I think we did already go over the importance of the ascending line, as it did find resistance back when it first came out, and currently that was the previous level of resistance, which should act as support now. Super simple, guys. Okay, so if it consolidates some sort of bullish momentum, maybe even an ascending triangle, and it decides to break to the upside, that would be perfectly in line with what the trend is, right? And potentially even breaking as high as above 1 penny, okay, which is just over the price action right now. It's actually not that far away. So it just recently broke above 1 penny. So let's let this play out. I think this wouldn't take longer than 3 weeks. Let's give it 3 weeks to consolidate, because again, this selling interest candle did step in, so this may put like a pause in the trajectory for now, for at least 2 weeks. So I guess remind me in the comment section to say, hey man, can we get an update if the market is just kind of consolidating sideways? There's not really nothing to I guess update on other than saying that the market's consolidating. Again, like some sort of maybe a bull flag. Maybe I could put something out. I really don't like doing this so soon, right? Because at this point it's I mean, it's all speculation at the end of the day, right? But it's kind of too early for me to put any lines on the chart since it's still developing, like some sort of bull flag, something like that. Okay, I guess I'll just kind of leave that on the chart, and we'll revisit it in like 2 weeks and see how things are developing. And that's all I have for you guys. So the RSI as well is in like the oversold territories. You see how it's kind of coming off the highs here. That's really, really high. It got as high as 94, and it's just kind of coming down. So yeah, it's a lot of buying activities taking place in this market. So let's give this one some time to cool off at least. The most important thing, I'll leave you like kind of out with the range, or at least the lowest point on this ascending line. And if you just so happen to see this cryptocurrency staying above that level, then everything should be just fine. So we'll just kind of point at the absolute lowest point here, where the price action is currently. You may have to write the numbers down. It's kind of long. 0.0068 0.041. Again, this is the Bitfinex chart. This may vary on different exchanges, so don't hold me accountable for that number that we just gave you. But yeah, if it's above that level, then it's just kind of, maybe it's doing some sort of falling wedge, consolidating. Maybe it's in a flag. We have to give this one some time, guys. That's all I have for you. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb and a comment to support with the YouTube algorithm so that I can pick up on the channel and support and promote the videos and everything. So also, if you're new, before you go, we'd like to send you, I'm not sure if you guys are into stocks. We go over that 7 days a week. We'd love for you to subscribe with us, and we'll send you that when it's available, okay? So remember to execute your strategies out there, okay? Take care of yourselves. We're going to talk soon, and bye for now.